JDF soldier in critical condition after being shot in August town.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The Jamaica Defense Force is reporting that a soldier is currently in critical condition after being wounded during a shootout with gunmen in the African Gardens community in Augustown, St. Andrew on Thursday night. It is reported at about 9:45 p.m. a Jamaica Defense Force team was conducting operations in the community when they came upon a group of men at a premises on Bedward Crescent. According to reports, the men immediately opened fire on the soldiers, leading to a firefight.
You want to be a lift from yeah, I'm going to see somebody pull the gate and say, come. Hey, one day, you know, all that one day. So, brother, what? Everything. Brother, I won't bash at the man. What's in the around? When the bash at the car, what do you top. To the window. You go see it.
During the exchange of gunfire, the Jamaica Defense Force soldier was shot in the abdomen. He was rushed to the University Hospital of the West Indies, where he underwent emergency surgery. The soldier is currently in the intensive care unit awaiting further surgeries. A male from the Augustown community has since turned up at the University Hospital, suffering from gunshot wounds to both legs. He is being questioned by the police. The Augustown community has been plagued by gang violence and gang activity in recent times, and has drawn the attention of the security forces. Numerous anti-gang operations and patrols have been conducted in the past weeks, as the security forces target gangs and other criminals in the community. Meanwhile, 2 illegal guns were also seized in the Augustown area on Thursday. The weapons seized are one M16 rifle and a shotgun. They were found during an operation in the Goldsmith Villa area. Several rounds of ammunition were also seized. No arrest was made in connection with the find.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.